Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. I am on day 29 of the carnivore diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan and track my progress just to see how each lifestyle affects my body. The carnivore diet is touted as a very healing diet, the proper human diet, as they say. Um, because of the ancestry of humans hunting and gathering. So I get that. I believe there's something to it because the way that we hunt and gather today is just going to a grocery store and buying shit food, like processed food. Processed food has been the bane of my existence for several years, ever since my kids were little, and I noticed how they reacted differently to the meals I fed them. And I finally started cluing in, just by observing them, that when I fed them and prepared for them processed food, they, they were unhappy. When I started feeding them whole food, they could process their emotions better. So it started sinking in to my world, my zeitgeist, that that what we've been taught in recent history about food and food manufacturing and all of the commercials, that it's just not right. It's not good for us. So from then, like, my children are my greatest teachers that I've ever learned from. Just by observing my children, I realized that food matters more than we really realize, and that the people that tell us things like government, like doctors, even nutritionists, don't always know the best information. The best thing I think that we can possibly do for ourselves is really connect to our body. I I believe the carnivore diet has um, it enables us to do that for ourselves, um, because it gets down to the fundamentals, just meat and fat, like our ancestors did, right? So um, this is a really good experiment for myself to dive deeper into what my body really needs. Um, I feel pretty good. Like, I'm feeling really good. Like, in mostly in my head, you know, clearer, happier. Today I had bacon and eggs. Wait, I had an omelet with a little bit of goat cheese in it because I do like goat cheese. I know I'm eating cheese again. Well, I always I never really stopped, but I tapped her back a bit. So I had an omelet with goat cheese and bacon, and then I had frozen some of those chicken thighs, bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. So there was 4 little chicken thighs that I had thawed out, and I heated them up with lots of bacon grease because I had some leftover bacon grease this morning, and it was so good. And with a bunch of salt on it, it was so good. I felt so good eating it. It was so satisfying to eat it. So day 29, I'm feeling good in the head. I weighed myself. I'm still 170, but now I don't care, right? I don't care. I'm fitting clothes that I haven't fit in for 6 months, a year. So that's really good. Yeah, probably a year. So my clothes, my beautiful cabbie clothes that I love so much, I'm fitting back into. So there's progress. So that's what I'm tracking. I'm tracking progress. Is my body changing? Is my mood changing? Are my feelings changing? Do I have energy? Am I losing weight? Um, do I feel like getting out of bed and doing something different? Yes, yes, yes. So things are good. So um, now I don't really care what I weigh, as long as my head's right. So it's coming along. So yeah, processed food, kick it to the curb, and then we'll see how the next couple weeks brings to me, to see if anything else changes. So this is awesome. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Check out my other offerings. If there's anything that you want to see, please let me know. If there's recipes, if there's any inspiration like in the carnivore realm that you want to see, I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to probably go to Costco tomorrow because I'm out of almost everything. So yeah, let me know. Stay in touch, and we'll see you tomorrow.